Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious wine from fruit. First, gather your ingredients. About 10 pounds of ripe fruit, 2 pounds of sugar, 1 gallon of water, and a packet of wine yeast. Next, sanitize all your equipment including buckets, carboys, and airlocks to prevent spoilage. Then, crush or chop your fruit to extract the juices. Finally, combine the fruit, sugar, and water to create your must, aiming for a starting brix of 20 to 24. Once your must is prepared, it's time to pitch the wine yeast. This initiates the primary fermentation process. Maintain a consistent temperature, ideally between 65 and 75 degrees Fahrenheit, for optimal yeast activity. Attach an airlock to your fermentation vessel. This allows carbon dioxide to escape without letting unwanted oxygen in. Primary fermentation typically lasts for about 5 to 7 days, during which you'll see active bubbling. After primary fermentation, it's crucial to rack your wine. Carefully siphon the wine from the primary fermenter into a clean, sanitized carboy, leaving the sediment behind. This begins secondary fermentation, which can last from several weeks to a few months. Ensure the carboy is topped up to minimize air exposure, preventing oxidation that can spoil your wine. You might also add fining agents for improved clarity. Finally, when your wine is clear and stable, it's time for bottling. Thoroughly sanitize all your bottles, corks, or caps to maintain the wine's quality. Carefully fill each bottle, leaving about 1 inch of headspace to allow for expansion and proper corking. For the best flavor development, age your bottled fruit wine for at least 3 to 6 months before enjoying your homemade creation.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.